Hi, welcome to Nutrition. I am Tamberly Powell, the instructor for the course, and I want to welcome you and show you around the course a little bit. This is a fully online course, so everything you need to be successful is here on this Moodle page. The syllabus is a great place to start, as this will have all of the policies for the course and will get us on the same page as far as what you can expect for the term. If you're new to online learning, the Start Here document is something you're going to want to check out. This document will have the different software you're going to need for the course. It also will give you some resources for computer skills. And if you've never taken an online class and you're not familiar with Moodle at all, this Moodle Basics for Students is definitely something that you will want to check out. Every week will be organized pretty similarly. You'll find weekly tasks. So this is everything that you're going to be working on for the week. And in general, each week you will have a lecture outline you're going to be filling out while viewing online lectures, and you'll have a set of study questions. There will be other activities as well sprinkled throughout the term. For example, this week you have an orientation quiz to familiarize you with the syllabus, and you're also going to be starting food records that you'll be using for your diet analysis project for the term. Please do print the lecture outlines and the weekly study questions, because you're going to actually be filling these out and then using them to submit your answers online. And these will also be a great resource for you for exams. So the online activities, these are the online lectures that you're going to view to fill out the lecture outlines. And you want to make sure you do that before completing the study questions. So the study questions are application and knowledge-based questions based mostly on the lecture outlines. Once you have printed and filled out your hard copy for your study questions, you will go to the study questions here under the online activities to submit those answers. In addition to the lecture outlines and the study questions, we also will have weekly forums. This week, the main goal is for us all to get to know one another. So we're going to be introducing each other, or I should say introducing ourselves. So here you can see I posted the introduction topic. There will be other topics I will post as well. You just want to click on the topic, and then you will click in the lower right-hand corner this reply button. You can hit reply. You can type in your discussion here to introduce yourself, and then you can click on the post forum button. Now let's go back to that introduction page. So there is the option to add a new discussion topic, and you're welcome to add a new discussion topic, but if you want to reply to a topic that I posted, make sure you click on the topic and then reply. That way all of our conversations are threaded and we can read everyone's conversations with just one click. It makes it a lot easier. There are some settings you can play with in the forums. This little setting icon over here. You can have different options for tracking unread posts. You also can subscribe to the forum. If you subscribe to the forum, that means you're going to be getting copies to your email account of all the forum posts. I don't particularly like that, so I don't subscribe to the forum, but you can choose whatever's best for your learning style. There also is a student question forum. This is going to be a great place to post questions you have about general content to the class. This way, other students can reply to your question and other students can see your questions and the answers as well. If it's a personal question, feel free to send me a message in Moodle. But most of the time, this is going to be the best way to get a quick answer to your questions. One way to keep track of your completion of assignments are these little squares over here, or completion tracking. If there's a dotted line here, that means that this box will be checked when you've met the criteria for the assignment. For the forums, the criteria is to post twice per week. Once you've done that, then you'll see a check mark here. For the boxes that don't have dotted lines, those are ones you can just check yourself. So once you've viewed the lecture outline and filled out your printed copy, then you can check the box that you have completed that weekly task. So this is just a few little hints to help you get oriented with the course. If you do want to send me a message because you have a personal question, or another student a message, you can click on the little mail icon here. And you can click on new message. And you can search for a user, and then there will be an option to send a message. I will do a search just so you can see that. You can click on the name, and then we can email that way. So I look forward to interacting with you all online, and have a great term.